In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export transparent videos in Capcut. If you want your subject to appear without a background so you can place it over other footage, graphics, or slides. This walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. First, open Capcut. Make sure you're in the editor so you can work on your clip. Once you're in, add your video to the timeline. Drag and drop it, or use the import button. Either way is fine. Give the clip a moment to load so the tools are ready and responsive. Next, remove the background. Select your clip in the timeline, then look for the background removal options. The goal here is to isolate your subject so there's true transparency behind it. This is what's sometimes called an alpha channel. When transparency is active, you'll typically see a checkerboard pattern in the preview where the background used to be. Now click on Auto Removal. Capcut will analyze the video and automatically separate the subject from the background. This usually works well for clean, high-contrast footage. If your subject's edges look soft, or you see leftover background patches, let the analysis finish and review the results. You can improve outcomes by trimming away parts of the clip where the background is especially busy, or by using footage where the subject is clearly separated from the surroundings. Keep in mind that very fine details like hair or motion blur can be challenging. Auto removal does its best, but results vary with the footage. When you're happy with the preview, click on Export. This opens the Export Settings panel. Here's the most important part for maintaining transparency. Change the format to MOV. Standard MP4 exports don't support transparency, so MOV is the format that preserves the alpha channel created by your background removal. Capcut handles the necessary codec settings under the hood when you choose MOV, so you don't need to adjust anything else for transparency to carry through. You can keep your desired resolution and frame rate as usual. After switching the format, click on Export again to start rendering. Let Capcut process the file. When it's done, your MOV will have a transparent background wherever the auto removal cleared the image. You can now layer this file over other videos, slides, or animations in your preferred editor. If you see a black or solid background after export, double-check that you chose Movie and that the background was fully removed before exporting. That's it. Open Capcut, add your video, remove the background with auto removal, export, switch to Movie, and export again to finish.